Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to find Exodus wallet address. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to find the wallet address of Exodus, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you tap open the app itself, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply tap on BTC or any other crypto and then simply tap on the download option button. To do so, you will find this kind of picture on your interface, which is known as the BTC wallet address of your Exodus app or account, and you can even share the link by copying it and sharing it with different kind of friends, which will help you receive money from them. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.